Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the ABS light fuses are located, which fuses control the ABS, it's multiple fuses, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So now the ABS light fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in two of them. The first fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. Open the door. When you open the driver door, look under the dash on the left side, all the way upside down. And on the bottom of the dash, you will see one white cover. That white cover here, okay, that tab, pull it, open that cover, and you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the ABS light here we need to check two fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check three more main fuses. Here we need to check fuse number 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 3 right here, that 7.5 amp fuse will need to be checked. Then you need to check 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Fuse number 23 right here will need to be checked guys. Now next you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood facing the engine, on the right side you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it. That's the main engine fuse box. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Here guys we need to check multiple fuses. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. The first fuse that we need to check here, it's known as fuse number 17. That's that very top 10 amp fuse right here. That will be towards the windshield side. After that, you need to find fuse number 22. So that's 17, 18, 19, okay? And then you go 20, 21, 22. Some of you may or may not have this one, depending on which ABS system you have. After that, you will need to check guys one more fuse, and that's fuse number 26. So that's 23, 4, 5, 6. That main J case fuse right here will need to be checked for the ABS system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.